When selecting under-rail lighting fixtures for a boat dock, several options are available, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. These include LED strip lights, puck lights, and rope lights. For LED strip lights, the pros include firstly, energy efficiency with long lifespans, secondly, even illumination with adjustable brightness, thirdly, flexibility and ease of installation, and fourthly, the ability to be customized to fit any shape or size. The cons include the potential need for additional waterproofing or encapsulation for outdoor use. For puck lights, the pros are firstly, that they are compact and unobtrusive, secondly, they provide focused illumination in specific areas, and thirdly, they are easy to install and replace. The cons include firstly, that they may not provide sufficient coverage for a large area, and secondly, they can be more expensive than strip lights. For rope lights, the pros are firstly, that they are flexible and durable, secondly, they provide a soft, ambient glow, and thirdly, they are affordable and easy to install. The cons include firstly, that they may not be suitable for high brightness applications, and secondly, that they may require additional support or clips to prevent sagging. For a 3636 boat dock with a preference for 120-volt lighting that is not excessively bright, consider the following options. First, consider installing a dimmable LED strip light using 120 volts along the underside of the top deck railing. This will provide even illumination with adjustable brightness levels. Second, consider installing puck lights using 120 volts at strategic intervals along the railing to create focused illumination in key areas, such as the dock entrance or seating area. Third, consider a combination of LED strip lights for general illumination and puck lights for accent lighting. This provides a versatile solution with both ambient and task lighting. Ensure that the light fixtures are compatible with the 120-volt electrical system on the boat dock. Choose fixtures that are rated for outdoor use and have adequate waterproofing to withstand the marine environment. Follow all manufacturer's instructions for proper installation, including securing cables and connectors to prevent water damage. Regularly inspect and clean the light fixtures to ensure they are functioning properly and free of corrosion.